What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, basically all winter, I feel like. Yeah, it's been a winter. Figured I'd shoot a little update video here and what I'm doing today. We've got the back end off of everything. So it's probably too damn bright. But we got the whole back end off. All the bushings and everything have been replaced. We've got new studs in here. Super bright, of course. Hard to tell. Got a bunch of parts in the back, just kind of waiting. I've got to get underneath the car, and I've got to drill out some stuff that we had issues with. A few bolts snapped and stuff, so I'm gonna get all that taken care of and show you underneath the car. Alright, I'll bring you under here, show you what we're doing. So, as you can see where the fuel tank goes in, that bolt snapped. I've got all the new lines run underneath the car here for the brakes, the evap, and the return. We've got new parking brake cables in. This fuel line where it comes off the tank is being replaced. Some of these lines over here where you can see that old corroded ass vent line, that's being replaced. I just got to pull it out still. So first thing we're going to do is get this drilled out, and then we're going to move on. There's a couple other ones that need drilled out as well, and then I've got to somehow get these where the subframe bushing insert went in. I got to drill through one of the sides and then knock it out from above so that we can fit the new stuff back in. Aside from that, it looks like I've got to get the bolt. Yeah, it looks like a bolt up there for the. I feel like that's for the. I don't know. I think that's for the. No, is that a subframe mount? Yeah, it's gonna be a subframe mount because the diff's back here by me. Yeah. That's what I've torn everything out from underneath this car. I still have to replace these bushings on the end of this here, and then kind of be good to go. I've got all the parts for the entire back end, new fuel tank, everything in the fuel tank. So let's get to work. All right. So after I don't know, probably 30 minutes being interrupted by my dad talking to him and stuff too. We see if I can show you. I got most of this stuff drilled out over on this side. So you can see up in that hole, got all the aluminum out, got a little bit of cleanup to do in there. Used the left hand bit after I drilled through that and got that out. We're gonna move over to probably the other side and get the other bushing out. And there's another screw over there I've got to get out too, and then I'll come back to the center here. I don't know. Get them done one way or the other. So about another hour here hopefully and we'll be done. Also, as you can see, engine's out. Got some cleanup stuff to do in here still, but I've got all the new lines run up over there. That valve and stuff's all new. There's new lines coming up here. The brake booster and stuff is all new there. We've got all new chase bay line here, and then just a regular line here, and then I've got the other line for the power steering here, new can. What else has been done in here? I guess that's really it for that, and then we don't really have too much else that needs to be done in here other than I'm getting the master slave and stuff done on the inside of the car as well, changing some of the pedal bushings and stuff. All the carpet and stuff's out of here still, obviously. It's a mess up in there, but all the pedal stuff's out of the way, and gotta get all that taken care of, and carpet's all cut out, so we're gonna get this mess completely figured out at some point here after we get everything else kind of squared away. I don't know. Got all new carpet and stuff, so that'll all be getting done. It's grind time now, so Gonna be a lot of work going in here. Alright, so got everything cleaned out as far as the bushings where the subframe goes. Basically had to drill a bunch of holes in there and put a chisel up in there, knock it all out, and then clean it all out with like a metal grinder type thing almost. I don't know how to explain it. Got that done. I got all the bolts drilled out for the tank mount. I'm gonna have to go get a tap that actually matches because I don't have one. Imagine that. And tap all those back out, because even with the left hand bit, it didn't work as great as I really wanted it to, and I got like 95% of the bolt out of the actual hole, and I'm just gonna have to tap it back out, and if we have to make it bigger, we'll make it bigger, I guess, but kind of is what it is at this point. Just needs to fucking work, you know. So it's gonna be it for today. Here's a little update. Hopefully you want to tune back in. I'm gonna be doing stuff every week here and kind of racking up some progress, hopefully, since it's getting nicer out here in northeastern Indiana. It's been great. Cool. Catch you later.